Hello, dear. How are you? I'm
Um,
back. Oh, by the way, I eat mango and cucumber tonight. How about
oh,
you?
um, it's egg.
Egg. Oh, okay, that's delicious. Okay. Oh, you don't have any class at school anymore? Is it a vacation time?
No,
Oh, I thought it's a vacation time now. But
no.
do you have to go to school again
Yeah,
tomorrow?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, my dear. Uh, After we finish our lesson, I have a new song. But we need to finish our lesson first. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. So let's finish our lesson first and then we will sing a new song. Okay, last night we talked about going to the beach. Now let's go for another trip. Okay, let's answer this question. Okay, here we go. What is the difference between a trip and a holiday? Okay, my dear, let's read.
The differences between a trip and a holiday or trip is usually a journey to a place you want to visit, but you might come home again on the same day. The
Yes.
difference between a trip and a
Okay.
holiday, a trip is usually a uni
Journey.
to
Oh,
a place.
let's repeat, my
Journey,
dear. Journey. Journey.
journey,
Yes, very
journey to
good.
a place you want to visit, but you might come home
Yes.
again on the
Okay, when you say trip, it's only for one day. But if you say holiday, it may take a month. Okay, that is their differences. Okay, now let's answer this question. This is fun. Okay, number one question. Oh, okay. When did you go on your trip? Do you remember it? Was it January or February or March?
yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July,
Okay, but your trip,
August,
do you remember?
September,
Do you remember when was it?
September.
Okay, you can say we had a family trip. We had a family
We
trip
had a family
last
trip
when?
last
When?
year,
Okay, very
last
good. Last.
month.
Okay. Okay, we can say last year. Now, question number two. Where did you go?
Hello to no month. No week.
No, the place. I mean the place, my dear. Where did you go? Did you go
Yes,
to?
we had a family trip last week.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's change this one. We had, we had a family trip last week. Okay, where did you go? We went to
we went to the Samsung.
Okay, can you spell it?
Samsung. Samsung. Son. Space.
Is that S-O-N?
Space. No, space.
Okay. What's next?
As big. Son. Son.
Is that what you mean?
We went to Samsung. We went to Samsung in here.
Okay. And next question. Who did you go there with?
With my school. My mom's school.
Okay, I went there with
Mom's school.
Okay. Okay, next question. How did you get there? Oh, did you ride a car, a bus, a plane? How did you get there? We rode.
With road. Will
Oh,
you see me?
No. I
Look.
can see you, my dear.
2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, what is it? Why
You
did you
said
cover?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3 in 3, 2, 1. Slow motion. Okay. Okay, so let's go back. How did you get there? We rode a school bus. Is it a school bus?
Yes. No.
Oh, why? What? What did you ride to go there? A car, right?
Yes. No, a motorcycle.
Oh, okay. We rode a motorcycle. Okay, very good. Next question. What did you do? What did you do first when you got there? Did you play with your friends, your classmates?
Friends. I play with my friends.
Okay, I played there with my friends. Okay. Next question. Okay, which part of the trip was really exciting?
Really exciting.
Okay, which part?
I don't know.
Okay, you can say we laugh, or I and my friends laugh together.
Teacher, I want to
Yes, my
draw.
dear. Okay, what do you want to draw? Okay, let me see it.
Draw the animals.
Okay, you draw an animal and then you describe that animal. Okay, let us see. You describe that animal in 3 sentences.
Together.
Oh, sorry. Okay, again, my dear, please. Okay, what do you
Okay.
want to draw?
Okay.
Okay, what is it?
You draw. What?
What is?
You draw.
Okay. 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 But that's my name. That's teacher's name. Okay,
No,
and
you draw here. I'm draw there.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will draw what kind of but teacher doesn't know how to draw well. But let's try. Um okay. I will draw uh a a pig. But teacher doesn't know how to draw.
It's okay.
Okay, let us see if this is a pig. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this is the eyes. Oh no. Oh no, teacher doesn't know how to draw. It looks like a teddy bear.
It's okay.
Okay. It's supposed to be a pig, but it looks like a teddy bear. How about you? What is this? Is this a...
Rat.
Oh, that's a cute rat. Okay, I will also draw here a heart. Okay, a heart. Did you put color on it?
Yes.
Oh,
It's put color in here.
okay, what other colors you want to put on your drawing?
Do you don't color?
I don't know. Okay, I can. Okay, let me try here. I don't know. I'll just put here yellow heart. Okay, a pig with yellow heart. Oh, you can put okay, what else? Okay, are you done, my dear? Okay, describe your animal. Is that a mouse with a crown
Yes.
or with a hat? Okay,
No, that is
describe your drawing. Number 1, you can say this is okay.
oh
Describe your drawing.
I don't draw finish.
Oh, you're not finished. Okay. What else you want to put on your drawing?
I
Would
want to
Would you like
draw
to put
heart.
hands? You can put hands on your drawing.
What is my color?
What
Yeah.
color would you like to put to it? Oh, you can put red.
Yes, I can put red in heart. Oh, what is that?
You can also put what else? Orange. Let's color the body orange.
Yes, it's orange. But
Okay.
I don't want orange more.
Okay, so what other color do you like to put? You can also put yellow.
I can put pink, purple, yellow, red, and white.
Okay, color the body yellow.
Look, it's very beautiful.
Yes, okay. Now describe your drawing. This is, you can say this is
This
a,
is my hat.
okay, this is a mouse. Is that it?
No.
What is it?
It's the pig.
It's also a pig
Yes, a pig.
or a bear.
A
Okay,
bear.
let us imagine it's a bear. This is a bear. Okay, what else? Number 2, what can you say about your drawing? Okay, we have the same color, purple and yellow, with yellow heart and red heart. Okay,
Yellow, red, bright,
yes,
purple,
yes, purple.
pink.
Purple is okay too. It's beautiful. Okay, so again, this is a bear. What else can you say about it?
It has three.
What?
It has a heart.
Yes, very good, my dear. What is the color of the heart? It has a yellow or red heart. Okay. What else? It has, what's on its head? What did you put on its head?
Lovely.
It has
It
a,
has.
in its head, on its head. What did you put on its head? It has,
Yes.
you can say it has a yellow hat or ribbon. Yes, that's a ribbon.
Look. Look.
Oh,
Here.
yeah. Wow. A headband. A ribbon headband. Okay, we can also add that to your drawing. It has a yellow hat or pink headband. Okay. Oh, okay, my dear.
Yes.
Okay, so let's answer number 6 question. Which part of the trip was really exciting? You and your friends, what was it? Laugh together. You and your friends played together. Okay, number 7 question. Would you like?
Wait for me.
Number 7 question, my dear, please. Can you read this? Okay, my dear? Oh, my dear, I can't hear you. Okay. Can you open your mic? I can't hear you. Okay. Let's answer number 7, the last one. Would you like to go on a trip like this again? Would you like to go on a trip like this again?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have a project to make. Okay, you have to find a picture of an island from the internet.
Oh
Okay. Okay, for example, let's find a picture of an island from the internet. Okay, we'll find one. Okay, I have here a picture of islands. I will share this to you.
no.
Okay,
To hear.
let us
To
see.
see.
Let us see the picture of an island. Here, my dear, can you see it? Can you see the picture of island? It's beautiful, right? These are pictures of beautiful islands. Would you like to go there too?
Yes.
Yes, like this. I want to swim here. How about you?
I want to swim in that.
I want also to climb coconut trees. How about you? I also want to play on the sand and make sand castles.
Yes, I like say castle in that.
Yes, okay. This is fun things we can do on an island. Okay, my dear, let's go back. So we
Yeah, you want to do you know the oh baby, 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 oh
yes,
baby,
that song.
baby, baby, oh
Okay.
baby,
Okay, we
baby.
will sing later after we finish this. Okay, so you have to find a
Okay,
picture of an
print
island.
out or cut out from Maggie Agnes of your island for exam.
Yes,
Pictures of the shore, the island landscape,
landscape.
the people and animals that live there, the food that grows there.
Yes, etc.
Teacher.
Yes, this is how we read
Here,
it. Etc. Yes, my dear.
I speak small.
Low. You speak slow and in a lower voice. Okay, you can say
Yeah.
teacher. Okay, what is it? No, don't. Okay, let's finish this, my dear. Okay, the next one. You have to draw a map of the
Look.
island. Okay,
Oh.
where will you put
Oh.
that? Okay, here, my dear, it says here you have to draw a map of the island and show it to our next class. Okay? That's your
Yes.
project. We'll show this to our next class, the picture of an island. Okay, the last one. Okay, give me 5 sentences about your last holiday. Number 1. Oh, okay. You can say I
Number one
and
is
okay, number
I
1.
I I and my friend go to island. In island have the coconut trees. It's very big.
Okay. I see my
Uh,
friend. Okay, Anne and my friends went to an
the
island.
water is have the water have two 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 blues. One blue is very beautiful. One blue is very
Okay,
beautiful.
you said there
And
are coconut trees.
and my friends go to the island and play the landscape
Okay, we played
and
sand
touch the
castles.
coconut trees. Okay, teacher.
Okay, let's read the whole sentence, my dear. We played in the sand and made sand castles. Okay, let us read this. Okay, my dear, it's
I
your
and
turn.
my friend went to an island. There, there are coconut trees. We play in the sand and made sand castle.
Okay, very
Here is
good.
time.
Okay. Oh, it's time now. Don't you want to see our song?
No.
Okay.
Next
Okay,
time.
next time we will sing a song and finish our lesson. Bye
Okay.
bye, my dear. Good night.